All right, guys, underneath this Pagani design cloth are two of my Aliexpress sale finds. I am so excited to be showing you these today. Let's take a look at what we got. Oh! Welcome back to another Merly on Time, everybody. Thanks so much for tuning in. I got these watches in the mail yesterday. Normally, I kind of like to spread out my videos a little bit just to allow for space between content and give me time to do some new videos. But I had to get this one done today because I was so excited about the watches I received. They're both Pagani designs. Yes, I am a Pagani design fanboy, but one in particular I was really looking forward to get for a special reason. And so we're just going to do a very quick reveal of these watches. This is not a review. I literally just got them yesterday, sized them yesterday, late last night when I got home from work, and they are Pagani designs. There are some really nice things about them, and then there are some things that, well, they're Pagani designs. So anyways, I'll save all of that for the full review. I've handled these watches a little bit since I got them, and I'm just really excited to be showing them to you now. I'll leave links in the description where you can get these. One of these watches is on a flash deal right now as well on Aliexpress, so if you like it, you should head on over there soon. I'm not sure how long this particular sale is going to last. And so with that, let's turn the camera around and let me show you what I got. Okay, so here are the watches in question, guys. One of them I wanted just to have for review purposes. The other one I wanted to have because of the looks. And let's start with the one because of the looks. And that is this one here. It is the PD 1711. So this is, again, just a quick unboxing. We'll measure it out with the Super Cali. But this watch is paying homage to the Omega Seamaster Planet Ocean chronograph that you can see here in a different colorway, but I chose to go with this one with the orange and blue accents. So you can see that from the photo, this does a pretty decent job of homaging that watch. And so let me just give you just a bit of a perusal here. I'll give you the side profile of the watch. Nice coin edge to that bezel on the watch. And then again, the side profile on the other side with the crown and the two pushers. Both of these watches have decent bracelets on them. And they both have milled clasps. So yeah, Pagani design is definitely doing a better job, I must say, overall. And I can tell you overall on these ones, there are a couple of issues, not necessarily with this one per se, but with this one that I've already noticed. I'm going to be wearing this one today, and well, we'll discover any issues in the next couple of days, but very nice. So let me spec this out with Super Cali, and then we'll get on to the next watch. And so between that pusher and the crown, 43 millimeters. So it is a good size watch. It does feel quite thick to me, so let's just see what it is. Thickness from case to crystal, 15 mil. So you do have a good size case thickness there. You do have 20 mil lug width there. Yeah, it's going to be 20 mil. And there are female end links there, so your lug to lug on this is going to be pretty true, and it is 48.7. And so that is the Pagani Design PD 1711. You'll notice on both of these watches that there is no third hand. Well, there is, but it is the chronograph hand, which is stationary until you activate the chronograph. And so that is the PD 1711. Now, this is the watch I really wanted to get for review purposes. And let's just show you this one now. This is The PD, actually I'm not, I can't remember the model number. I'll leave it as a subtitle there. But the reason I got this watch is because I already have this very watch in the reverse panda color in the San Martin. So here is the San Martin, and here is the Pagani design. And so we are going to have a true head-to-head between these two brands. This watch here, you can actually get this watch for under $100 right now, and not on the stainless steel bracelet, but on a different band option, but you can get it for under $100 now. This watch here is $400, so $100, just over $100, $400, just over $400, and give or take a few dollars less on any particular sale. So what we're essentially saying here, well, I did say this watch here, the San Martin, is $300 more than this Pagani design. Now, I already had someone in the comments of one of my videos say that the Pagani design that they just released is a much better watch, and so we're going to put that to the test. And obviously this one is a homage watch as well. Let me show you what this watch is homaging. And here it is. This is the Tudor Black Bay chronograph, and you can see this is on Joma Shop. You can pick it up for just over $6,000. That is US dollars. And here is the homage. And I think that Pagani design made a bit of a mistake that they could have easily utilized on this particular watch with the particular movement that they're using. Both these Pagani designs are using the exact same movement, and so you can see that there is no running seconds hand on this one either. Just the seconds hand for the chronograph, and it will only move when you activate the chronograph. And so we'll get Super Cali and we'll measure this one as well, again between the pushers. So a nice size case here, 39 mil, thickness of 12.5 mil. I am pretty certain that these are 20 mil lugs, but let's just get in here and find out. And yes, they are going to be 20 mil. And they also have female end link, and so your lug to lug on this one is also going to be pretty much a true lug to lug. No overlap because of the end links. And what we are dealing with here is a 48 millimeter lug to lug. So let me just give you a kind of a preview of the side profile and whatnot. And what I'm going to do is just, here's the interesting thing, guys. I want your opinions right away. I can say that it is got some really nice finishing on it, but is it as good or better than the San Martin for less money? So I'll show you both watches, but here is the side profile of this one, and you can see that it will have a nice chamfered edge there, brushing on this bracelet. Again, done a really nice job with the bracelet, and you get another milled clasp on this one. Let's give you a side profile of the crown and the pushers. And I gotta say, Pagani design, quit putting that blue crap on the crown and the pushers. It was bloody near impossible to get the blue sticker off of this, and you can still see, let me zoom in, maybe you can still see kind of remnants of that blue. Yeah, see? You can still see remnants of that friggin' blue sticker that you guys put on. You got to stop doing that. Okay, so anyway, there's the side profile of that one. Okay, I'm going to go around to the other side. You can see the vertical brushing on the bracelet there. Okay, now let's take a look at the San Martin. I'm not going to draw any conclusions. I'm just going to show you the San Martin, and you can chime off in the comments below what you think is the better finished watch. Okay, so there's the side profile of that one, and let me just get out of here so you can focus a little bit better, camera. You can see the chamfered edge on it, then the vertical brushing on the bracelet, and here's the side profile with the pushers. Okay, so just at a glance, let me know in the comments below Do you see a distinguishable difference in quality between this San Martin and this Pagani design? I can tell you for sure which one is better, but I'm going to wait for the comparison and the review video. Why wouldn't I do that? Of course I'm going to do that. Okay guys, so just a quick preview of these two watches, and I'm going to be rocking the Pagani Design PD1711 on my wrist today. I wore the other one. Let me just reach in and grab it. I wore this one yesterday at work. The good thing about the packaging is that Pagani Design did actually send a proper screwdriver this time to size the bracelet, and so I took it into work, and during my lunch break I put it on, sized it and all of that. And I can say that this has a really problematic issue on the watch already, and as I was wearing it and kind of playing with it, and they just really screwed up on a design element. So stay tuned for the review of these ones. I'll link the other two watches that I got on the Aliexpress sale, kind of just before the sale and part of the sale. I already reviewed the Addy's Dive Pilot watch. That's my latest video. And of course I unboxed the Benyar Tiffany blue watch, which I'll do a full review on in due time. But this is the one that I was really excited to get to do a comparison with the San Martin. I think most of you are going to be quite aware that San Martin is obviously going to win out with respect to the quality, fit, and finish of the watch. That's a no-brainer. But I am going to try and do a proper comparison, and what I want to answer is, now that I have the same watch, now that they're homaging the same watch, is the San Martin really $300 worth more than what Pagani has offered here at just over $100? So stay tuned for that review coming up on Merlin on Time Watch Reviews at some point in the near future. Guys, thanks so much for all of your support. If you haven't subscribed to Merlin on Time, please consider doing so. Make sure you like this video, that helps, and more importantly, leave me a comment, and in particular, let me know what you guys thought. Is the Pagani Design fit and finish getting a little bit better from what you saw on this quick preview compared to the San Martin or not? Chime in the comments below, and I would appreciate that so very much. God bless you guys. Remember, whenever you leave your house, you need to have a great looking watch to wear on your wrist like this. Seamaster Homage by Pagani Design. And remember, wherever you're going, get there on time. God bless you guys. We'll see you in the next one.